Drones are becoming a more pervasive threat every day. The ease of customization that makes them so attractive to hobbyists also appeals to bad actors using them for nefarious means. Unmanned aerial systems are currently being used to surveil operations, destroy infrastructure, and attack personnel. Technology, always moving forward, ensures these vehicles will become faster, more advanced, and more deadly. Small arms have limited range and effectiveness, and larger arms have high cost compared to their target. The Air Force Research Laboratory has developed a low-cost per shot, speed-of-light solution. Thor uses a focused beam of energy to defeat drones at a large target area. It provides a non-kinetic defeat of multiple targets at the speed of light. This unique system allows base defense forces to stop UAS attacks at long range before they threaten critical infrastructure. Thor completely stows in a 20-foot shipping container, which can easily be transported in a C-130. The system can be set up by as few as 2 people within 3 hours and operates from ground power. Thor uses high-power microwaves to cause a counter-electronic effect. A target is identified, the silent weapon discharges in less than a second, and the impact is instantaneous. The Air Force Research Laboratory has already demonstrated Thor's effectiveness during real-world tests where it defeated hundreds of UAS systems. AFRL developed this unique system allowing base defense forces to stop UAS attacks at long range before they threaten critical infrastructure. Silently waiting, always protecting, quickly detecting,